Today I'm going to be cooking with an ingredient I've never used before. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. Today I'm making Tom Kah Gai, which is a classic Thai soup made with coconut milk, chicken, lemongrass and galangal. More on the galangal later. So let's get cooking. Add a tablespoon of oil to a large saucepan over a medium heat. Add in a finely diced onion and cook for 5 minutes, stirring often until softened. Next, we're going to add in some galangal. Now, if you've never seen galangal before, it looks like this. You can see it looks quite similar to ginger. There's ginger, there's galangal. So galangal is a little bit less spicy and more citrus tasting than ginger. And as you can see, ginger's got darker skin as well. Now, galangal is actually a lot more difficult to slice. And because I'm quite clumsy, I'm going to use galangal paste. Galangal paste is actually quite easy to find in the supermarket compared to the fresh galangal as well. So add in 2 teaspoons of galangal paste, 3 minced cloves of garlic, 1 lemongrass stalk that's been sliced finely, 4 kaffir lime leaves, 2 red chillies that have been finely sliced, 10 shiitake mushrooms that have been sliced in half, and a tablespoon of red Thai curry paste. And we're going to cook all that together for about a minute, stirring often. Now you'll notice that I added in fresh lemongrass there. You can replace it with lemongrass paste if you prefer, but I really like the crunch of those little rounds of lemongrass. It just adds that little bit extra texture to the soup. Then we're going to add in a litre, which is just over 4 cups of good quality strong chicken stock, along with 400 ml, which is a 14-ounce can of full fat coconut milk, plus a tablespoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, the juice of a lime, which is about 2 tablespoons, and 6 cooked chicken thigh fillets that have been shredded. Stir all that together and bring it to the boil, then simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken is fully heated through. Once that chicken's heated through, give it a taste and add a little bit of salt and pepper if you think it needs it. Also, if you wanted to thicken that soup slightly, you can add in a cornflour slurry, which is 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch mixed with 3 tablespoons of cold water. So I'm going to do that now. Once the soup is thickened to your liking, divide between bowls and top with fresh coriander and a little drizzle of chilli oil. I also like to top with a few slices of lime before serving. And that's my quick and easy Tom Kah Gai, a Thai-inspired soup that's packed with layer upon layer of spicy flavour that comes together in 15 minutes. And if you like this recipe, you're going to love my Thai-inspired peanut pork. See you over there. Time for some slurping. Ooh, that's spicy.